So we're introducing the new Pixel 5 with water resistance, 8 GB of RAM, and wireless and reverse wireless charging. So you can use it with your Pixel stand or to charge your Pixel Buds on the go.
Pixel 5G and Stadia combine to create an instantaneous gaming experience. Today's biggest games, ready wherever you are.
Pixel 5 and Pixel 4a 5G share the same front and rear camera system. Starting with the hardware, we've put a new ultra-wide lens on the back, and HDR Plus has received a serious upgrade, mixing Google novel techniques with traditional HDR techniques like exposure bracketing to help you take even clearer, sharper photos. The new ultra-wide lens on the back lets you capture more of the scene in both your photos and videos. Whether you're capturing a breathtaking landscape or a family get-together, the ultra-wide lens ensures you get it all. We've added night sight to our portrait mode. For those evening strolls or backyard s'mores, this combination allows the subject in the foreground to stand out even in low light. We improved portrait mode with a new feature we call Portrait Light. We know you can't always get good lighting. That's why, with Portrait Light, you can illuminate your portraits even when you're backlit against a beautiful sunset. Because we use AI to solve this problem, you can even apply this lighting effect in the newly redesigned Google Photos editor to a portrait you took 5 years ago. You want to be able to capture beautiful videos. To that end, we've added 3 new stabilization modes: Locked, Active, and Cinematic Pan. Cinematic Pan lets you make the everyday look like a movie. It creates sweeping, dramatic Hollywood effects through stabilizing and slowing down the motion by 2x.
And we're also launching Extreme Battery Saver that lets you decide what essential apps you want to keep on while everything else gets paused. It helps you increase your battery life for up to 48 hours. With these phones, you get 3 years of Android OS and security updates. And the Titan M chip helps to keep your operating system, passwords, and transactions safe. Our new feature, Hold For Me, builds on the smarts of Duplex and Call Screen to help save you time. Google Assistant will wait on hold for you and alert you when someone comes on the line and is ready to speak to you.
3 months of Stadia Pro, YouTube Premium, 100 GB of storage with Google One, and Play Pass and Play Points all on us. And the latest in computational photography to help you capture your special memories. And they start at only $499.